Hello class 2, let's start new chapter from science, chapter 10, wind. Wind, air is all around us. We can only feel it. When we cycle or run, we can feel air on our face. This is because air moves. Moving air is called wind. Wind causes branches and leaves of trees and other plants to move. Wind can also blow away clouds. That is why we sometimes see clouds safely moving in the sky. So children, air is present all around us. So we also know that without air we cannot live, we cannot survive on earth, isn't it? Our earth is surrounded by air, isn't it? So that only living organism or human beings can survive or live on earth. Understood? So air moves all around us. So means air is present everywhere, but we cannot see air. Understood? We can feel the presence of air. When we cycle or run, we can feel air on our face. Understood? This is because air moves. Moving air is called wind. So that moving air is called wind. Wind causes branches and leaves of trees and other plants to move. So see, sometimes we can see branches and trees and leaves of plants can move, isn't it? So how it happened? Because wind causes, okay, that means wind causes branches and trees or leaves of plants move. So wind can move the clouds gently in the sky. Wind has many uses. Wind is very useful for us. So wind is very useful, means very important. It is very useful. Wind helps to move things. So wind helps to move things. Wind helps to dry clothes. So wind helps to dry clothes. We wash clothes and hang on the rope in the sun. So winds also help to dry wet clothes. Okay, not only sun. Wind helps a kite to fly. So we fly kite in the sky with the help of wind. Kites can fly in air. Okay. Wind helps our sailboat to sail. So wind helps our sailboat to sail. The blades of a windmill move with the help of wind. Windmills are used to grind grains and draw water from wells. So the blades of the windmill can move with the help of winds. That means winds help the windmill blades to move. Wind also help us to produce electricity. So winds also help us to produce electricity. Wind has a direction. Wind blows in a direction. Branches of trees move in the same direction as the wind. The wind vane or weather cock shows the direction of wind. It is fixed on the top of a building. The beak of the cock shows the direction of wind. So you know direction means east, west, north, south, isn't it? So we have 4 directions. So wind also wind also has direction. Okay. How can we prove? Because there is an instrument that is called wind vane or weather cock. Okay. So it can measure the direction of a wind. Okay. So it is fixed on the top of a building and the beak of the cock shows the direction of wind. So wind blows in the direction. Branches of trees move in the same direction as the wind. Wind blows in which direction? So at that direction the branches of trees also move in the same direction.